Ha ka jingrakhe International Women's Day ka ICFAI University Meghalaya Shillong campus balatri rengkat ka NSSL ka balapan long hapan Wood Hotel Shillong menta kasngi ka praterigal ber arhajar arpusau. Rakam A Sangma Minister Berdepet Yakatanat Pulia Putih jong ka Jilla Meghalaya ha ka jingedon lang ki principal jong ki university bat ki college baper haba ajingkren kum ukong san ula ong baha kum kane kasngi omla klem da ai kublei ya baro ki longkmie namar ki long ki jingkyrkhu ha kane kasla pertei ki long ki ba ajing start banengkong bat ba ajing hikai ka bapura ha ka bayadei bat ki khana school bat ki ba pej bakme hayeng hasam ki bayai kersan ru barabor ya lau tengah bat ulakren ru syapang ka jing pandankam ya ka jing start sayan syapang kano ka jing tip bakerpang ha kini ki por bamenta kum ki briu omde ban penlet no e yaka.
The women's number are more than the men in the teaching community. Therefore today, it's my challenge to each one of you. Maybe our state, our region, education sector, the quality education of the state will be testifying mostly the contribution of the women's section. It will be very challenging to each one of you that the quality that we inculcate our education sector as we teach in the schools and the colleges should be meet the requirements of the hour. If you look at the global level, the technology, the environment, the development of science and technology today, it's tremendous. And somebody was saying, if the system of education of our country, of Indians, and of the world, if we don't adapt ourselves, if we fail to understand the incoming challenges of technology tomorrow, we will be left behind. And the technology, the artificial intelligence will take over the natural intelligence. But will today the educator, the academicians will submit, this is my question to each one of you, shall we submit to the artificial intelligence to take over the natural intelligence? It is not. Therefore, the challenge to each one of us, as a human beings, this technology, the intelligence, the artificial intelligence are the product of humans' intelligence, the natural intelligence. And therefore, I think, as a human beings, we should walk one step away than the technology. If this comes a national education policy, national education policy has designed in such a way that to make a country as a global stage for the world knowledge center. And it is truly indeed will meet the purpose. But today, as we go to the documents of the world, the national education policy, it will really give challenge to many of us, including the government. But therefore, let's not submit to the challenge, but let us react accordingly. As Newton third law was stated, every action has equal and opposite reaction. The challenge, the gravity coming in, will definitely force you to react accordingly in an equal measure. Therefore, the challenge of technology developments really will inspire you to react accordingly with the applied of our natural intelligence.